remnants of magical times, a cabinet of curiosities. Old companions and past Christmas ghosts, juvenile levity, sacred gatherings, pictures of days thrown away on the road to forever. A covert society buried in time, once bent on survival, not kicked out alive.
Stands alone beneath the burning sun. The raging badlands now is his home. There's no sign of victory. He lost his liberty and the only woman that he loved. An outlaw chasing outlaws, surround her in the night. By the radiant moon he will strike. The seeker of all dangers has come to take his time. From the dead of night it will arise. Renegade, renegade, committed the ultimate sin. Renegade, renegade, this time the prowler will win. He starts in Shadowlands, soundless with gun in hand, striking like a reptile so fierce. No chance to get away, no time for your last breath, when the prowler sneaks up from behind.